I at least glowing? Something. Yeah, don't know, right? Hi guys! So welcome back to my channel. It's J Shelby. If you're new, welcome to my channel. It's J Shelby. So today, you guys, I am bringing you a video on this wig right here. You see the slayage? Do you guys see the slayage on this wig? Do you? I'm giving y'all like mom vibes. I'm not a mom, but I'm old enough to be one. Yeah, I really have not did this in a long time. Oh my god. Like, I haven't done this in a long time. It's been a minute. The company that sent me this wig right here is by the name of Elvahair wigs. Well, I think it's Elva wigs, but the website will be listed right here. But it's Elva. Jesus Christ, elvahairwigs.com. So I'm gonna start off by showing y'all the packaging. They did send me my wig in this packaging right here. Such nice packaging. This is lovely. This is really lovely. So I'm gonna open it up for y'all and show y'all what was inside, because I did not touch anything inside the box, but I'm gonna open it up to show y'all what was inside. So this is the inside. The wig came in this plastic bag, which is perfect when you want to take your wig off and store it somewhere. You have this little plastic baggie that you can use. It also came with this little brochure on how to handle the wig. So it has all the instructions on inside as to like the lace, the hairline. It gives you a whole brief description of your wig, and it shows you like other wigs that they have on the site as well. This is actually my first time looking at this. I did not look at this before. As well as a weaving cap, which I never use. Okay, so this is the pre-plucked water wave 13x6 lace front bob wig. Now, and it's 150 density as well, and it did come with bleach knots. I bleached the knots again, but it did come with bleach knots, and this is 12 inches. Now I did cut this a little bit, but I mean, it is what it is. But y'all, this came like a deep curve. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. Hold on, because I'm not really savvy on putting the pictures on here. And I do have a clip that I'm going to insert of what it looked like before I did all this to it. It came as a 1B hair color, and like I said, it was like a wavy deep curl-ish type thing going on. I don't do the wavy deep curls, so I didn't keep those curls, as you can see. So yeah, I'll insert that clip right here, what it looked like. After I washed it and it was wet, so it looked like that. And yeah, so what I did was I didn't want just a boring old 1B color, so I did dye it. Now the two dyes that I used were intense red and mahogany, so I mixed those two together with 40 volume developer, and it came out this color, which is a really pretty color. I didn't bleach it or anything. I just put the 40 developer in there and it came out like this, which I'm surprised about, because I didn't really think it was going to come out looking this vibrant, you know, because I didn't want it to be too red and I didn't want it to be too intense. So that's why I mixed it with the mahogany, so it can give it like a little balance. Love this color, I do. And I love this style. And as far as the style, I did, when it was wet, I did blow dry it a little bit. I didn't blow dry completely straight, so it did still have like a little wavy pattern to it. I didn't blow dry it completely straight, and after I did blow dry it a little bit, I use my flat iron, which is the Infinity Conair flat iron. I used that to get my little self some curls, and I pinned them up while I was going along, and this is how it turned out, which I'm really happy about. And I did give it a little cut. Like I told y'all, it was 12 inches when I received it, but I did give it a little cut as well, and it was already a bob, so it was pretty easy for me to just maintain the bob shape and just cut off what I didn't want. And now as far as the lace, like I did say, I do believe I said this, it's a 360 wig. So I can put it into a ponytail. I have not even cut off the lace in the back, but let me see if I can show y'all. Yep, there you go. I can put it into a ponytail if I want to. If I plan on doing that, I really don't plan on doing that. So, well, not that I know of, because it's like a bob, so I don't know what type of ponytail that'll look like. So as far as the shedding, no shedding. Absolutely positively no shedding, and that's really amazing. Because I didn't bleach it, but I did dye it. You know, some hair act funny if it is dyed, and you know. And as far as the density, it is true to density, child. It is 150 density, and as you can see, it's really full and pretty and bouncy. No tangles. Even though this is short hair, you know, if it did tangle, if it was bad hair, I would still expect it to, you know, tangle or shade. But I do want to try that long hair to see if it's the same, if it gives the same energy as this hair. But I love the lace. Like I said, the lace did come already bleached, but I did bleach it another time, and it already came pre-plucked. I didn't have to do too much plucking. I did some within here, but you're not really able to see that because I got it flipped over. But I did do some within my part, and looks really good. It looks really good, and it looks really seamless. I love that. Give it a close-up look on this. I just made some little baby hair around here. Child, I'm not with the baby hair. I really am not. I just did it for this video. The link and all the information will be in the description box if you choose to shop from this company. But I do recommend it. I do, because this wig is bomb. But you guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever that I did not address in this video, just make your way towards the comments and just comment down there, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more of me. Okay, yeah, this hair is giving me grown and sexy. Okay, but yeah, you guys, that's it. I love you guys. I'll see you guys later.